I'm the artist Halie French. Happy Fluid Art Friday! Today's acrylic pour is one in a series of 4 called Thermal Imaging. I hope you enjoy, and if you're ever interested in having any of my pours or having me paint an original pet portrait, please visit my website, haliefrenchartwork.com. Thank you. Hello again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. Check out my next video with that button. And don't forget to like and share. And I hope you have a great day and stay safe. Thank you.